Are you tired of YouTube blocking your videos with restricted mode? You click on a video, excited to watch, only to be hit with a frustrating message. This video is unavailable due to restricted mode. It happens more often than you think. But don't worry, because in this video, we are going to show you exactly how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube on both PC and mobile in just a few simple steps. Whether you are a casual viewer, a content creator, or just someone who wants full access to YouTube, this guide will help you fix the issue once and for all. Now, before we deep dive, let's understand what is restricted mode and why does YouTube enable it. Restricted mode is a feature designed to filter out potentially mature content based on YouTube's algorithm and user reports. It's commonly used in schools, libraries, workplaces, and even homes where parental controls are enabled. But here is the problem. Restricted mode often blocks normal, harmless contents too. If you are dealing with such an issue, don't worry. We have got you covered with an easy fix. Let's start with how to disable restricted mode on a PC. Open YouTube, click on your profile picture, and scroll down to find restricted mode at the bottom. Click it, toggle it off, and refresh the page. And that's it. Restricted mode should now be disabled. But what if it doesn't turn off? Sometimes the network administrator or your browser setting might be locking it. Don't worry, we will show you how to fix that too. Now, let's talk about turning off restricted mode on mobile devices. Open the YouTube app, tap on your profile icon, go to Settings, followed by General, and find restricted mode. Toggle it off and restart the app. Boom! You are now free to watch any video without restrictions. However, if you find that restricted mode is strong, it could be due to Google Family Link, your internet provider, or browser cache issues. But what if restricted mode won't turn off no matter whatever you do? That's a common issue, and the fix depends on what causing it. If your YouTube account is managed by Google Family Link, you will need a parent or guardian to change the settings. If you are on a school or work network, the administrator might have locked restricted mode, meaning you can't turn it off yourself. You will need to use a different network or contact IT support. Another reason YouTube might be stuck in restricted mode is browser cache issues. Try clearing your browser cache and cookies, then restarting your device. This simple step fixes the problem for many users. If that doesn't work, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Sometimes internet service providers enable network level restrictions and using a different network bypasses them. Now here is an interesting fact. Did you know that nearly 30% of YouTube users have experienced restricted mode issues at some point? And in most cases, it's activated without their knowledge. That's why knowing how to fix YouTube restricted mode is so important. You don't want your favorite content to disappear because of a simple setting mistake. Another tip, if you use YouTube in a browser, try switching to incognito mode. This prevents account-based restrictions from interfering. Also check if your YouTube account has any parental controls enabled. Sometimes they are turned off by default, especially if your account is created as a child account. To summarize, here is how you can fix restricted mode on YouTube. As shown before on PC, go to Settings, find restricted mode and toggle it off. Now on mobile, open YouTube app, go to Settings, General and turn it off. If it won't turn off, clear browser cache, switch networks or check parental controls. For school or work networks, use a personal internet connection instead. Now that you know how to disable YouTube restricted mode, you can enjoy full access to all videos without restrictions. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if you have any questions. Let's help more people fix this problem. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.